To make a bill, first I need to select the items. So to add items in the bill, first I will click on the category, for example eyelashes. Now I will click on the product I want to add in my bill, for example this one. Now I will just click on save and it will add in the bill. But I want to select the staff who is giving that service. I will click on this button, staff button. From here I will select my staff, and if the staff is already there I will just click on it. But if the staff is not there, I will make the staff. For that I need to click on the create new staff button. Then I will click on new staff to load their code. It is important to click new staff before making any. Now I will just give the name. After that I will click on save. The staff is already added. Now just select it, then save. It's added in the bill. For multiple sizes products, for example this one, I will need to click on the size first. For example I am giving this size, this one, then select the staff, then save. So yeah, then to make the bill I will just click on continue, cash, bank, credit or hold. I will select cash, and if it is in bank I will select bank, and if it is credit I will select credit. For credit I need to create a customer. If it is not already there, I am choosing this customer, then print invoice. Now this customer is in credit. I will show you in another video how to check the credits. But to make a normal bill I just have to click on cash or bank. For example it is bank. I click on bank, then continue. That's it. The print will come from your printer.